Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Marvel intro in Blender. First, let's get our Blender scene ready. You'll need to prepare your project by setting up the basic environment. Make sure to download the iconic Marvel logo and the specific font files required for the text. We will also configure your project dimensions to a cinematic aspect ratio, typically 16:9, and verify your Blender version for optimal compatibility with the steps we'll cover. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth workflow. Next, we'll bring our visual elements to life. Import the Marvel logo and text into your Blender scene. Then, apply suitable materials and textures to give them that distinct look. We will animate both the logo and the text using keyframes to create dynamic, impactful motion, just like the real intro. Remember to position and animate a camera effectively to follow the action, ensuring every exciting moment is captured perfectly within your frame. Now, let's elevate our intro with stunning visual effects. We will incorporate particle systems to simulate dust or energy, adding a layer of realism and excitement. Set up cinematic lighting to dramatically enhance the scene's mood and highlight your animated elements. Don't forget to add volumetric fog to create incredible depth and atmosphere, making your intro truly immersive. Finally, adjust the color grading for that professional, polished, and epic Marvel aesthetic. Finally, it's time to render your masterpiece. Configure your render settings carefully for optimal quality and speed, balancing visual fidelity with efficiency. Choose an appropriate output format for your final video, such as MP4 or MOV, depending on your needs. We will render the animation sequence frame by frame to ensure precision. Afterward, compile all the rendered frames into a complete, high-quality video file, ready to impress your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.